In this video, we're taking a deep dive into the arrangements feature inside of ProPresenter. If you've ever duplicated a presentation just to get a different version of a song, this is going to save you time, frustration, and maybe a few gray hairs. Arrangements lets you build multiple versions of the same presentation without clogging your library, and they just keep everything perfectly in sync. Let's start with a new song. For this demo, we will import a song from SongSelect by CCLI, but note you can do this for any song presentation regardless of how it's sourced. On a Mac, press Command F. On Windows, press Ctrl F. That opens your search bar. Click on the SongSelect by CCLI icon and search for your song. SongSelect usually brings in the basic structure automatically, verses, bridges, choruses, and so on, but before building an arrangement, it's always worth cleaning up the slides. I'm going to add 2 blank slides using the plus button at the bottom. If you don't have a group for blank or background, you can right-click on the slide, choose Group, open Settings, and add a new group label. I like both blank and background to be black, so I'll set those colors here. Now, I can regroup those slides correctly and move my background slide into position to help structure the flow. Next, let's clean up the text. This is where the Reflow Editor shines. If the text is too large or awkwardly spaced, you can adjust the font size or break the lyrics into better segments. Place your cursor where you'd like to add a slide break and press the Insert Slide Break button. You can also use Option Return on a Mac or Control Enter on a PC. If you want to move the rest of the line to the next slide, use Option Shift Return on Mac or Alt Shift Enter on Windows. This makes your lyric flow match the actual song structure. And if you're unsure of the sequence, reference the recorded version you are using as you clean it up. While reviewing, keep an eye out for incorrect group labels. Sometimes SongSelect imports a group with a slightly different name, and ProPresenter won't match it with your existing labels. If you see a gray token, that's your clue. Right-click it, choose Group, and reassign it to the correct version. Once you do, the color will update. Now, we're ready to build our arrangement. Click the Arrangements button at the top. You'll see the Master Arrangement, which shows all the groups in their original order. Create a new arrangement by clicking the drop-down next to Master and selecting New Arrangement. Name it whatever makes the most sense for your team. Worship leader version, acoustic, and post-sermon are a few examples. Your new arrangement appears below the arrangement header, and your building blocks appear at the top. Just drag the groups in the order you want the song to flow. For example, verse, pre-chorus, and chorus. Add a blank before verse 2 if you want to make an instrumental break, and then continue building chorus 2, tag, blank. It really is as simple as dragging in the pieces. One of the biggest advantages of arrangements is that the slides are linked. If you fix a typo or change the formatting on one slide, that update appears in every arrangement that uses that. For example, if you update the pre-chorus in Reflow, every instance of that pre-chorus, no matter where it appears, updates automatically. You never have to hunt down duplicates or re-edit multiple versions. Once you've built multiple arrangements, you can choose which one ProPresenter uses in the library or in a playlist. Just right-click the presentation title and choose which arrangement you want. You can also switch it from the drop-down in the header while viewing the presentation. If you're running an arrangement that isn't the master, ProPresenter will show that name next to the title at the top and inside your playlist as well. And that's how you use arrangements in ProPresenter to build flexible, repeatable, and fully customizable versions of your worship songs. This workflow keeps your library clean, keeps your edits synced, and gives your worship team the flexibility to run any version of a song, even in the middle of service. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to any of my amazing coworkers in support. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.